You do not understand. You are not ready.
American movie. Have a Mustang, you know, speedy car, sports one.
We're here at Thorpe Arch for part 2. Thrifting and shifting, picking and flipping. On the family outing. Say hi, Lou.
You're gonna get run over in a minute.
I'm gonna get run over. More important than cars. We'll see what we can find anyway, and then get some lovely breakfast with the gang. Morning.
Morning.
You alright? What are these little things? Extreme bikes. Yeah, little mini bikes. 2013. They're cool.
What, the big
What's that? Power Rangers Ninja Storm. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, yo.
How are you doing? You not fancy rough off today?
Well, trouble if when I stand there, it's like 31 quid.
Is it still free? I want it free here before. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no brainer if it's free.
Precisely.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained if you don't have a good day.
Yeah, that's it.
Dog in a pushchair.
Do you resell?
Eh?
You buying and reselling?
Yeah.
They're £1,000 brand new.
They're £1,000?
Yeah, brand new they are. I only want 8 companies. Look them on look how much they go for on eBay. They're the best ones you can get. They use them in like petrol stations and stuff.
333, 750, 440.
It's like a no-brainer.
And are they brand new in the boxes like these are?
Yeah, or new other.
Yeah, they're not as good as what
So once you
come on, lads.
Well, once you open box, it's got to be like, it's like new other, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is there 2 in each one or just 1 in each one?
No, do you get 1 in each box?
Pack of 2.
Get
Get them bought, meat feast.
So as soon as I seen that,
How much are they?
Well, they're 80, but if you buy 2, I might do it a bit cheaper.
How much for 2?
Well, I'll knock 20 quid off if you take 2.
Does that work out at 20? No,
140.
120 and I'll take them.
I'll do it for £120.
Alright,
There you go, boss.
You have a little flutter on them, won't you?
You know what I'm like.
Yeah.
I'll send you a screenshot for your footage.
When they've sold.
I hope so.
Hey up. What are
Buy
there?
some right.
What are there? Where's
Yes.
my lad? My lad's come today.
There's only 3 skin.
Oh,
You could
yeah.
have had 4 skin.
Yeah. They're not the double XL ones either, no, they're no good to me. They're just regular size, you might...
120 there, mate. I'm going to come have a walk round and get them on way back.
Yeah, I'll
I'm
put 'em
literally
inside
just
for you,
not
though.
here, so
Got here and score, don't you? Look at that. That's
I hope so, mate. If I make a tenner out of it, I'll be happy these days. It's hard work.
That's
You
why,
went out
boy.
today.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. I have to bleep all that. Bleep. Arms is on cameras, yeah?
No. You could have bought them yourself. You want
Nah, I'm not fussed for it.
You're regretting it now.
No, because what if you sell them and they go, oh, they don't work? Like, why is he selling them at a carboot? Do you know what I mean? And the returns, I don't like electrical stuff because there's always a risk involved, isn't there? Is it a return? I don't know.
Maybe use them on
Maybe. Stop swearing.
3D game from.
You can pouch shop them, you're about stapler.
Only 56
staples for £1.
5 minutes.
But if you want
5-minute
staples
job.
to go with stapler, you can never find them, so you end up having to buy another stapler.
Try not to swear.
Yeah, if you can. It just means less work for me, less editing. You get to see a video quicker.
I'm going to be in it for not swearing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just bleep, bleep,
No one
bleep,
calling me
bleep,
every day this week.
bleep. Every day. Every day's always in my vids.
300 pounds! King Kong Cobra pounds, boom!
Can't get you out of them.
I have. I bought quite a few things off them before, I think.
You didn't buy Elvis, so I bought Elvis.
You buy Elvis off this lady?
Yeah.
I haven't got any gold.
Elvis isn't still at my house. I should have brought him back for you. I'll sell you him back for 80.
Talks rubbish, this guy, doesn't it?
That's nice.
It's gold on silver though.
Elvis, you still at home?
Thank you very much.
Still at home?
Still at home?
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't been home.
I tried with him, I put him on, but didn't get no bites, so he's still at home.
No. Oh yeah.
Oh, handles for forks. Oh, it'd be funny if I went and got Joe's cameras. So I've come back to get them for me, mate. Put them in my car. Oh, it's a bit dry up in here, guys. Not seeing much of out, really. Seeing Lil B, Lil B. Oh, there you are, Lil B. Just saying to myself, I can't see Lil B anywhere. Is there? No. Got offered 2 security cameras that sell for like £600, but I let Joe have them instead. Can't be bothered with security cameras. This might be faulty. You never know. Like, why would you sell them at carboot if they're worth £600?
Yeah, it's a good point.
Toys, toys, toys. Toys, toys, toys. Sweeties, no. Say no to sweeties. Try to behave and you got all the sweeties out.
What have you ended up buying today then?
Yeah, bits and bats. A bottle of
Representing what shorts like, even though it's cold.
They're just useful, aren't they? Pockets, extra pockets.
Yeah, but it's cold.
All year round shorts.
All year round shorts. Some whiskey, rum. Oh, I like a bit of rum for salt skin.
I bought a couple bits that might be of interest to you. There's an old cap gun, and then there was some 1988 McDonald's pullback cars.
Cap guns you struggle to sell on eBay, they get pulled off.
Speaking of a shop,
Firearm. What kind is it? What did you say it was? 70s?
1988. I'm not sure what cap gun it is. It's got the translucent, you know, hand. It's not a new one, I'm not sure. Have a look at it.
I'll have a look. I got a really nice one off that Geordie fella there once, an Airfix rifle, and it were like one of the first of its kind.
Yeah.
Give him 15 quid for it or something. Put it on eBay. I saw one in America for sale for £1,000. Put it on eBay straight away. After 24 hours, it had 28 or 32, I think, watches, and it were getting bid up. It were bid up to 200 quid already, and then they pulled it off.
That's what she said.
Said you can't sell that because it looks like a gun. And so I messaged them and said, well, there's someone in, I think we want America, Portugal. Someone in Portugal selling one. Oh, it's different laws, apparently. I said, if you put it back on again, we'll shut your account. No, we said, just flat out shut my account, they said. Oh, what you got there? Black Series, Star Wars. Yeah, threatened to shut the account. Gonfer.
Yeah.
Gonfer. Yeah, they're something now. I do like the, if you ever find the transforming ones, do you remember that?
Yeah.
They're cool. I remember them from my childhood.
They're not good for you.
No, not the McDonald's.
I've still got that sealed Mario Golf.
Oh yeah?
So
you never do all of it?
It's in my bag. I was trying to look to Rich today, but he didn't have enough cash on him.
How much?
2.5.
Why haven't you done it with it? I thought you...
Yeah. I was saying it for grading, but I just never got around to it. He offered me, what was it, 3 offers for it?
2.5, I think it was.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think I'll pass on that, but I'm interested in Mario Golf.
Yeah. I've got some decent games with me today, so far.
Backdoor dealings. You just got it in your bag loose. Have you got any protector?
Alright, I've got rubbish, just some decent games in there, to be fair.
15, so it's 16 quid that?
That's what it would have
$16.
been, yeah.
It's
Back
nice,
then, though,
isn't
it'd have been quite a fair chunk.
Yeah, it would. Well, they were never cheap, were they?
No.
They were never cheap games. When we were kids, we got a Mega Drive, and I think Mega Drive were like 150 or something.
Yeah, it's like the old Gameboy colours, they were 90 quid, weren't they? But when you compare it to nowadays money, it'd only like 600 quid or something.
Yeah. Most extortionate one I ever saw were on
They're surprisingly good.
were on a documentary. It would, if you bought the Mega Drive and the Mega CD and then another add-on.
Oh, the 32X.
Yeah, it came to like 1,200 quid or something daft. Is there anything else sealed in here or?
Nothing else sealed. I've got some heavy hitters though. Like, this is a bad boy.
Twin Bee Rainbow Bell Adventures. Never heard of it. Is it good?
Got 200.
Is it?
Funny. Yeah.
Were you still eBay, no?
I do a bit, but I'm trying to cut off on it now because I'm doing quite high volume.
Oh, Rise of the Robots. Remember that?
Yeah.
Oh, that was
Lord of
game, that.
Rings.
Lord of Rings. I got, you know Brian at Ruffer?
Yeah.
I got a load of NES and SNES off him one morning. It must have been 4 or 5 years ago now. One morning, close to Christmas, it was pitch black, you know, nobody there. I turned corner in cattle shed and he was just getting them out of his car. 22 of them, I think it was, 24 of them, 5 of each, all boxed. There's some right titles in there as well. That were one of them. Castlevania were in there. 5 for Castlevania.
You don't know he's got half upside now, do you?
No, he said. I went back to him a couple of weeks later and gave him an extra. I think I gave him another 80 quid or something.
Yeah.
Because I did well off them, but I didn't really know what to do with them, so I just auctioned them. But there were some nice ones. Castlevania. Davy Boy's copy of Castlevania, no less.
Castlevanias have gone up stupid money now. Like 200 quid online, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah,
Ah,
it's about 200.
no.
Yeah.
Just for first Castlevania?
Yeah.
I know number 3 were always a good one. Is it 3 that's really obscure?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Definitely interested in that. Yeah. Just because, you know, I like to grade a thing, don't I, now and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skimp me. Nice one. Well, I'll let you know how I get on with that, Jordan.
Yeah.
Let you know where it comes back at and that. Nice one.
Aye.
Right, breakfast time. I'm spent up. My nipples are freezing. Are you having your breakfast now? I have to edit that bit out now. Breakfast joint.
Good for you,
Is having a
man.
breakfast joint?
That's how he gets ready for his breakfast.
Is that part of 5 a day?
I mean,
More than 5.
5 a day then.
I have 10 just to be healthy.
$2.50. I've just paid for that.
How much?
$2.50.
Have you, yeah?
Yeah.
What's it worth?
We'll see when it grades, won't we? I need to find my son now and get him some brekkie.
You got your son here?
Yeah, first time ever.
So I've never seen your kid before around here.
He's got a blue jacket on. He's just there. I've just seen him. Nearly 19-year-old now. Him there. Trendy looking bastard.
Might have paid too much for this. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, we're back inside the treasure trove, and I might have paid too much for this, but I like it, and I've wanted it for a long time. I've been trying to get it from Jordan for a long time. We agreed on a price a while back now, but it never happened. And this time it did happen, and I'm happy about that. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy about that. But the big rookie mistake was that I only looked at the best case scenario.
You stupid idiot!
I only searched for the highest comps of graded examples of this. So yeah, there was like a, I don't know, 1,1800, something ridiculous pound available copy. None on the sold. That's the other rookie thing I did. I didn't look at sold. Or did, but I couldn't find any. That should have told me something, really. But then after purchasing it for £250, I looked a bit further into it and I looked at worse case scenarios. I looked further down the totem pole of pricing. And yeah, saw some examples that were a lot cheaper than I hoped.
It's me, Mario!
So I'm not sure if that is going to go in the grading pile. I think I might put it up and try and recoup what I've spent, maybe with a tiny bit of profit on top. We'll see how we do with it. So yeah, if any of you lucky viewers want to buy yourself a copy of Player's Choice Mario Golf, the Game Boy, give me a shout. We'll hook it up. It's not quite as bad a mistake as the Elvis statue, but something about Thorpe Arch seems to get me. I don't know. I do rash things at Thorpe Arch. Don't know why. Just happens. These things happen. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
In other news, I have started another channel. It's just reusing the same content, if I'm honest, but Thrifty McShifty over here if you want to have a little sub to that. It was just a little experiment, really. Reusing the old content, as I say, trying to kickstart the algorithm a little bit. I've become a little bit disheartened with YouTube, to say the least. Seems like they're playing a rigged game, if I'm honest.
This is bullshit! Alright, take it easy, man. Every time's different cards, he still wins.
seen my views and my exposure in general just plummet lately. Just absolutely plummet. So I thought I'd try and give it a kick up the bum and see what happened. I won't go into it too much, but rest assured I am going to stick around. I know I've got a lovely hardcore base of viewers, followers, probably around 500 people bother to watch each video. But it's not about the people who bother to watch the video, it's about the people that don't even get the chance to watch the video. I feel a little bit robbed by YouTube, if I'm honest. I could show you all the graphs and all the analytics to prove that I'm not just some mental, paranoid, tinfoil wearing conspiracy theorist, but I'll not show you the graphs, but they are there and it is very obvious. I don't know what I said to upset you, Susan, but shadow banned, that's what I'm saying. I've been shadow banned.
You sound insane. Do you realize that? You should be medicated.
But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stick around. I hope you give the videos and the channel some shares. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do over here. Maybe watch one of these other videos over here as well. I don't know, this one or this one or this one or this one. This one's good. The guy in this one, funny guy. Should check him out. Very good. Grow old, but never, ever, ever. Ciao. I don't even know what that was, to be honest.